eat me whole, so I may bring pain. A tongue to unleash my torment upon them. Up on the surface, in the sun, dig a path for me to be free.
Mom, I'm home! Mom?
Hiya, Max. Mom here. I'm off in Mexicali at the Mucho Grande swap meet. I'll be back late. Dinner's yesterday's buffalo stew. See you then.
This news break. A third volcanic island has lifted its fiery head from the Pacific. Scientists are unsure what it means, other than there'll be a hot time in the old town tonight.
Bless this homework, O wise one. Hey, you miss me, Thor? Yeah!
Whoa, package delivery!
Probably something of Mom's. Just leave it, please! Wow, this ain't for Mom. It's for me? Wonder who could have sent it. Cool. Looks Egyptian. Let's see that. Ah, that's it. Okay. That's an inwich, and that's a knit, which means strong or mighty. You have been chosen to be the cap bearer. Go to the mini-mart and wait for a signed Mighty Max. Mighty Max? I'm dreaming.
What has happened? The Chosen One could have done this. He's coming, as prophesied, to destroy me. And I'm so close to release. Go! Find him first, and bring me his beating heart. And I'll eat it raw.
Whoa! What a rush! Man, I don't think they made this one in Taiwan. I guess I blew a fuse or something. So, you think I'm dumb enough to go to that mini-mart? Boy, I hope this is some kind of joke. Well, at least I'll pick up an El Supremo comic, if nothing else.
What in the... Not the cupcakes!
Big Ed?
Back! Taste my Louisville Slugger, sucker! Get out of here, Max!
Hasta la bye-bye, whatever you is. I don't believe it. Second floor. Wow!
Mighty One. Ah, I see you received my package as prophesied 5,000 years ago. Do help him up, Norman. After all, you are the guardian of the Mighty One.
Hey! Yeah! Don't mess with me, buddy. I know the ancient deadly art of, voodoo. Yeah, and I can rip your eyes out and show them to you before you die.
Right then, let's follow us to the portal, Mighty Max. It must be around here somewhere.
Ah, glad that's settled. I'd hate to hurt either of you two guys. So, where are we?
Mongolia.
Mongolia? Hey, what are you talking about, man? How'd I get here?
Ah, here it is.
Hey! Wait for me! Okay, now what's this all about? And how come you look like a chicken?
My name is Virgil, and I'm a fowl, not a chicken. You are Mighty Max, the chosen one.
Chosen one? Oh, what'd I win? Cash? Prizes? Video games? Where's that McMahon?
All will be explained, but we must hurry. Just step forward into the portal.
Look! I just see rock, and if you think... What's happening? All right. If you don't come clean with what just happened, man, I am gone!
Well, if you insist. But I've only had 5 eons to practice this speech. Here goes. Every person has a gift, and in their gift lies their destiny. You, Mighty Max, are a hero, and you have been chosen to wear the last cosmic cap to victory. As such, you, the wearer of the cap, have access to the long-lost transport of the gods.
Hey, it's glowing.
Sort of a super subway system, as it were. Come along. You are the focus of the powers of good. Norman and I are here to aid and serve you.
Oh, don't feel so bad, big guy. There'll be other heads to chop, I'm sure.
I am very wise and shall instruct you in the ways of being a hero. My speciality.
Great. A chicken teaching me to be brave.
Norman is your guardian, the ultimate bodyguard, as it were. He's quite unstoppable. He shall protect you from the smaller inconveniences that crop up from time to time. Where is that portal? Basically, you're it. Mighty Max.
Yeah, but this mighty stuff, it sounds wussy.
Mighty is a title of courtesy, like Mr. or King.
Hey, this is my block! I'm back home!
You are mighty, understand?
Yeah, if you say so. Just don't call me that, okay?
Yes, Mighty Max.
And another thing. What was the flaming pyro thingy waiting for me at the mini-mart?
A lava beast, and at the ordained minimart. Skullmaster knows of you. Then he must almost be free if he has sent his minions.
Is there something you're not telling me? Look, I think I should know whether this house has a basement or not, okay? I mean, I've only lived here all my life.
No, it says so in the scroll. I'm sure there's a basement around here.
Looking for this?
I guess there is one. Whoa! You mean this was down here all the time? Cool!
Look at your cap. This is the gateway to Skull Mountain.
In my basement?
What better place? You are the chosen one.
Oh, great, Verge. So, Skullmaster's on the other side of that? And he's probably got a million zillion lava beasts with him, huh? Come on, a guy'd have to be a complete moron to go through there, then. I'm not going, no matter what. Wow! Virgil! He's gone. Wow. I guess a chosen one's gotta do what a chosen one's gotta do. Well, here's to saving the world, and Mom, and my friends, and Virgil. No chance we had the wrong address, huh? Norman! Big guy! Oh!
Last. The chosen one. Turn around so I may see you.
No, don't tell me. Let me guess. Skullmaster, right?
You're the chosen one, prophesied to destroy me. You're a worm, an insect, and nothing.
Hey, don't get me steamed, bonehead, or I'll gnaw your ankles off. Gee, hope I sounded tough enough.
5,000 years of anger and fear, and now I find you are not at all.
Great! Then we can be friends? Shake? Whoa, 1 second, thought. Wait! I think I hear my mom calling me. You know, I'd really love to stay and chat, but she's a real monster if I'm not home by dinner, so...
More than me. Time to die, chosen one. The crystal!
Well. One more step, big fella, and this puppy takes a fall. Comprende?
Don't touch that crystal!
You were saying?
No!
Do you think you can run away from me?
Virgil! Virgil! How's it hanging, bud?
Ah, the chosen one. I knew you'd come.
Yeah, well, can't let you go hogging the glory and all.
Ah, wonderful. Now on to Skullmaster.
Yeah, look, Virgil, before we do anything rash...
So, the chosen one.
Uh-oh, I think we're in deep dish pizza now.
Kill.
Hey, Virgil, can chickens fly?
What was that?
Hey, Norman, catch!
This is gonna be fun. That was fun.
Oh, man, that was great! Wait!
Would someone mind terribly? Thank you.
Mighty Max says find us the portal out of here fast or kiss your kebabs goodbye. We made it! Next stop, the good old US of A! What are those things? Oh, looks like someone's rototiller got a little out of hand, huh?
The portal should be just up ahead, maybe another 30 feet.
Verge! The portal's 30 feet out there in midair? Over that? Oh, man, someone tell me there's another way out.
There isn't.
Skullmaster!
Have no fear, you are destined to win.
Good to see you again, Mr. Skullmaster. Scully. So, how are you doing?
You can't escape. I'll rip your limbs from your body and slowly suck the marrow from your bones.
That's it, we're has-beens. But I'm taking that sucker with me. Hang on! I don't know what I'm doing! Here goes nothing!
My tunnels! You're destroying my tunnels!
Open wide and say, ah! Woo! Yes! Ah, don't mess with Mighty Max, you big bozo!
What are you doing?
Being the mighty one! I hope you're right about that portal being out there, Virgil.
The map has never been wrong in 5,000 years, and... What? No, you don't mean...
What, like we have a chance here? Am I Mighty Max or aren't I? One,
Will die, chosen one. You will die.
go for it!
You will
Hey, we're not dead! We made it!
What? Alive? And so bold on Earth?
But where on Earth?
Somewhere in Australia, I think. Should be a portal to Madagascar, only 50 miles or so from here.
50 miles? No way, Jose! Hey, I'm the mighty one, you remember? I just saved the world from certain destruction. I ain't moving. Find a closer portal.
There aren't any.
Tough, I'm not going. Virgil? Norman? Hey, you guys, I was just kidding around. Can't you take a joke? So normal, buddy, a big hunk of nothing. How about a piggyback ride, huh? After all, I am Mighty Max. Oh, please. Well, this week, we went to Mongolia and Egypt and then to India, where we saw the Taj Mahal. In 1630, Shah Jahan started building it as a shrine for his wife. It took 20,000 men, 22 years to complete. You know, I think it'd take just about that long to clean my room. See you next week.